What happened?
He's there!
Ah! Get him! Get him! Get him! Behind us! Right here. Ready? Yes. Let's go. Okay, and then you're gonna pull the barbell all the way back. All the way back.
La niña carga su pistola.
Why is this thing?
It's just a big gun. Takes a lot of power.
Big gun. Pistola grande.
Okay, and now shoot the chair. Boom. So be careful because that thing does hurt, okay?
No le
So don't shoot
dispares
in the
a la
eye?
cara.
Don't shoot the face at all, ever. Don't ever shoot them from close up either, okay?
Looking at.
This
She's
is
just
toy,
looking
but
at
it's for adults.
my bum.
This is a toy for adults.
Los niños juegan con pistolas de Nerf.
The hunt is on.
I'm going to war.
Voy a la guerra.
Go. Red. Red, over here.
Hey, David's over here hiding.
Go with your dad. We're in timeout right now.
Oh, you're in timeout?
Right here. Ready? Let's go.
No, wait a second. Ready? Let's take over the base.
Tomaremos control de la base.
Hey, bullets.
You have any bullets?
Yeah, in my thing. Here, I'm gonna go look for the
Okay, we have to go take it over. Go recover ammo.
Ammo. Munición.
What happened? What happened?
He's there!
Ah! Get him! Get him! Get him! Behind us! Ah!
Los niños disparan. To shoot.
Where'd he go?
A bomb! I got a bomb! I got a bomb! Step back!
Mom!
Bomb!
Disparar. Él dispara. He shoots.
It's behind you, Fatima! Get him! Fatima, run! Run, Fatima, get
I
him!
didn't even take you out. Your teammates are awesome.
To run. Correr.
Jenny, stop!
She runs. Ella corre.
As soon as they pass, we shoot him.
Ah!
Shoot him!
No. Ready?
Ready.
Let's go.
Listo.
You got ammo?
Only three.
Only got 2 shots though. Okay?
I am ready. Yo estoy listo. Yo estoy listo.
Those things hurt. I love that gun. I played the game.
Are you still there? Are you okay? They're still in the attack! Get him, Fatima!
Daddy, there's
You got it. Fatima, retreat!
Retreat. Retroceder.
Take over the base!
I need to reload! What happened?